Okay, question 5b, page 307 says determine the intercepts, the equation of the axis of symmetry, and the coordinates of the vertex of the graph of each quadratic function. Generally a hint in these questions, not always, but look for what it's asking for in order. What you get in the beginning will help you get what you need later on. So it starts with the intercepts, which means factor this. Let's get rid of this negative 1/3, that's ugly. Negative 1/3 times x squared. Now what, negative 1/3 times what? It's going to give us positive 3. That's going to be negative 9, right? 9 over 3 is 3. We have a negative sign here, so this one's going to be positive, and this is going to be 18. Oops. This is going to be 18 because 18 times a third is going to be 6. So far, so okay. So now we factor that. So that equals negative 1 over 3. This is our a value. 9 and 18, hey. Looks like a 6 and 3. X minus 3, x minus 6. So our zeros, which is our intercepts, are x equals 3 and 6. Those are our zeros. We plug 3 or 6 into any of those x, y is going to equal 0. What else does it want? Axis of symmetry. What's between 3 and 6? So for the axis of symmetry, we have 3 plus 6 over 2, which equals 9 over 2. Yes, it's 4.5. I'd rather you keep it as a fraction. So this equals x. That's your axis of symmetry. What else does it want? And the coordinates of the vertex of the graph of each quadratic function. So the x value of the vertex is 9 over 2. What's the y value? Well, y equals, so we plug this in for all x values. Negative 1/3 times 9 over 2 squared plus 3 times 9 over 2 minus 6. So that equals, I didn't give myself enough room because I'm trying to save space on paper, but anyways, 9 squared is 81. This whole thing's going to be negative. 81 divided by 3 is 27. So 27 over 2. So it's negative 27 over 2. 27 plus 27 over 2. Hey, what happens there? That's really nice. Minus 6. So y equals negative 6. That was close. So the vertex is, the x value is 9 over 2. The y value, negative 6. That's 5b. Hopefully that makes sense.